Fucking midnight?
Come on, bro.
I want to do the... What? It's not that goddamn cold outside. It's snowing. Even though I can't see it, it's probably snowing. Okay, you're right, it's raining. Maybe I should have turned the light on. Whatever, move, it's cold. Woo! I'm recording your ass. Cut it out. Our fireplace